Hey guys, today we're going to play some Minecraft. So yeah, it's going to be quite slow because obviously I've got YouTube open at the same time. I'm just going to show you one of my worlds, probably this one. Wait for it to load. Hand. Yeah, that's a bit random. Oh, this is my cool one. Oh, these are my doggies in it for us. And on this one, I've just been swapping like modes like really often, so because yeah, I'm a bit of a cheat because I just can't be bothered. Right, back on survival. Well, creative. You know what I mean, by? Where's that blooming zombie? Oh, it's probably in the house, isn't it? Where are you, skanky creature? I'm gonna kill you. Skank bag. Let's do a different world. Right. Let's make it a creative and create a world. Yeah. Should have made it a flower, shouldn't I? Let me see. Oh well. Still do what I want to do. In fact, actually, I'll show you one of my old birds. See that one? Nope. Oh, actually, I'll show you this. This is quite cool, this one. Oh yeah, this is dog kennel, so I've got dogs, obviously. But also I've got cats in here, so one of them is sticking their head out the door. Yeah, they're kind of weird. It's kind of creepy. Yeah, that's a demented house. Yeah, it's this one there, obviously. What's your problem, baby? Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come on. Come at me, bro. Just go fucking... you're boring me now. Piss off. Yeah. Brilliant. Hello, kitty cat. Yeah, this is my house. Well, that's where I like to go anyway. This is pretty awesome. Come in here, then. Come on, kitty cat. Come in here. So come in here. Come here now. Oh, no. Follow me, you horrible little thing. This way. Come on. Come freaking this way. You're horrible. Oh well, kind of. Yeah, bit of a problem here. Hey, look. Another room, and another room. These guys are a bit strange, okay? Go away. Yeah. Pink kitty. Meow. 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 Oh yeah, this is something that really failed. Well, another thing that really failed, I could say. Trying to make a tube water style. Not really working there, as you can see. What else do we have here? That's not really. There's another world I want to show you though. Can't remember what one it was. Oh, should we just try that one? Oh, not this one. This is quite cool, apart from it kind of failed towards the end. Not really sure. I've worked it out. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it like that all the way along? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, come on, no. Oh. Okay, guys, that's all for now.